Ayodapo Oyelana, and I'm representing Remo drums today, and giving this drum to Mr. Dominique Akitunde, the University Ile-Ife, Nigeria, and is the overall instructor for drumming, African drumming, in this institution, and that's to be able to showcase this drum to the students that are coming here and are going out, and to be able to take it out to every other drum community that he has connection with, because it's well known everywhere in Yoruba-land. He goes everywhere to kings, palaces, community gatherings and cultural shows, and he's the man that is very effective and letting them know about how far the Western world has gone in promoting our culture, especially in the talking drum area. And that's why we are presenting this drum to him today on behalf of Remo Drums. This is a gift to you.
Thank you. I promise that this will be taken to all of Sun's drummers meeting association by the time they have meeting. Remo, thank you.
Okay.
So thank you.
Okay. All right.
Be ready to apologize. Everybody imitate you. This is wonderful.
This is interesting.
At least I want to be late. Everybody say,
I want people who drew. Yes.
Let them go. I'm walking in there.
Mo fún wa nígbà tí mo wà náà mo fún wa ní náà hotel. Inú yín dùn sí àbíbò. Ó dáa pọ̀ ó dáa.
Kúkúrú ká gbà pé àgbéga
ti dé o ti bá sílẹ̀ bàbá wa torí ó yà wá lẹ́nu bí ẹ ṣe fọ́ọ̀jì ẹ̀ láti ṣe gan.
Ká máa kó mú ló ti wà ní ìsìn tá a bá tún kó mú sí.
Tó fẹ́lẹ́ sí.
Tó fẹ́lẹ́.
A tún kó ní bíi.
Over 10. Give them 7. Okay. 7. Okay.
This strap. You try to make a little fold.
Okay, to cushion it the
yes, to cushion
to pardon the yes. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Because of the weight.
More comfortable.
Yes, it's like you are carrying traveling bag. Yeah, like this. I give them 7. Let me have 0.5. 7.5.
All right, thank you, Remo.
Surprised me a lot.
Remo.
Very, very impressed. You can see our own. Can see? They look alike. But instead of going down, this come up. So that's what I noticed. And this is where you get your high tone. You get your low tone between this and this, then you have your high tone here. Because the high.
Bitakun ọ̀bẹ jẹ́ ọwọ́ ò lè bọ̀ kẹ́rẹ́.